Let's see the tutorial first of the bookmark. For this project I'm using a 3mm hook. Now we have to make a magic circle. For that, hold the yarn like this and twist over your fingers and move to the back side. Now from behind the first loop, bring the second loop outside and twist it. And this is the magic ring. Now work on one chain, and into the magic ring we have to work on single crochet stitches. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, like this we have to work on 15 single crochets in round 1. Work till the end. Now after working on 15 single crochets, make a slip stitch into the starting chain of the single crochet stitch. Okay, plus one chain and cut the remaining yarn. Now close the magic ring. Now for round 2, insert the hook into the first stitch of the slip stitch and join another color yarn for making a petal. Now work on 4 chain, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and into the same stitch, into the first stitch we have to work on 3 incomplete double crochets. So for 1, into the same stitch again work on second incomplete double crochet. 2, into the same stitch again work on incomplete double crochet. 3, like this, and into the next stitch we have to work on 3 incomplete double crochets again. So for 1, 2, and into the same work on incomplete double crochet of 3rd. So into the second stitch we have done 3 incomplete double crochets, and into the next stitch also we have to work on 3 incomplete double crochets. So for 1, and into the same again, 2, and into the same again, 3. So we have to get total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 loops on the hook. Now put your middle finger into the petal and yarn over and pull through all the 10 loops together. Like this. Okay, make it tight and work on a chain. Okay, now work on 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and into the next stitch here work on a slip stitch. Look, the first petal has been formed. Now work on again 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and into the same stitch work on 3 incomplete double crochets. So for 1, 2 and 3. Following 2 more stitches with 3 incomplete double crochets. So as you can look, into the following 2 stitches I have done 6 more incomplete double crochets. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, pull through all the 10 loops together like this and work on a chain, and work on 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and into the next stitch here, into the previous round, make a slip stitch like this. So far I have done 2 petals. Like this we have to work on 3 more petals, and I'll meet you at the end. So look, in the same manner I have done in the following 3 stitches, 3 petals. Now at the end make a slip stitch into the starting, single crochet, plus 1 chain and cut the remaining yarn. Now hide this tail behind it, back. Look, the flower has been completed. Now let's do the hanging part. Now for the hanging part, flip the work flower to the back side and insert the hook in any of the stitch as shown, and join this green color yarn. And work on chains. You can work around 15 chains to 20 chains according to the size of the book. Now I have done a chain of 20. Now let's make a leaf part. For that, work on 5 chain extra and make a slip stitch into the 5th chain. And you'll form a loop. Now into the loop we have to work on a single crochet stitch, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and work on a picot stitch. Work on 3 chain and make a slip stitch into the starting triple crochet stitch. And into the same stitch again work on a triple crochet stitch and work on a double crochet. Work on 1 half double crochet and a single crochet into the same loop. As you can see, a leaf is formed, and into the same stitch make a slip stitch, and into the starting of the chain work on 1 slip stitch again and work on 1 chain and cut the remaining yarn. Now hide the tail into the yarn in this way. Similarly, hide this tail also into the chain. And cut it. Finally, this was the look of the bookmark. Written pattern is available in the Ravelry and Coffee Shop. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.